Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through B2 first, keyword transformations, exercise number FCE024. Let's start with number 1. The original sentence is, Jane dyed her hair orange 2 months ago and it has been that colour ever since. The keyword is for. And the second sentence is, Jane's hair blank 2 months. The correct answer is Jane's hair has been orange for 2 months. This transformation uses the present perfect tense with for to indicate the duration. For 2 months maintains the original meaning of 2 months ago in the first sentence. Another example would be, the building has been under construction for 6 months. Moving on to number 2. The original sentence is, during the film on TV, the phone rang. The keyword is was. And the second sentence is, while I blank, the phone rang. The correct answer is, while I was watching the film, the phone rang. This transformation uses the past continuous tense to indicate an ongoing action that was interrupted. Was watching the film keeps the original meaning of during the film. Another example would be, while I was eating dinner, the doorbell rang. Next up, question 3. The original sentence is, do you have any plans for next Wednesday evening? The keyword is doing. And the second sentence is, what blank next Wednesday evening? The correct answer is, what are you doing next Wednesday evening? This transformation uses the present continuous tense to ask about future plans. What are you doing maintains the original meaning of do you have any plans? Another example would be what are you doing tomorrow? Here's question 4. The original sentence is please don't smoke in this room. The keyword is rather. And the second sentence is I'd blank in this room. The correct answer is I'd rather you didn't smoke in this room. This transformation uses I'd rather to express a preference. Rather you didn't smoke keeps the original meaning of please don't smoke. Another example would be I'd rather you didn't make noise in the library. On to question 5. The original sentence is everyone thinks that someone murdered Harry. The keyword is was, and the second sentence is it blank murdered. The correct answer is it is thought Harry was murdered, or it is thought that Harry was murdered. This transformation uses the passive voice with is thought to indicate a common belief. Is thought Harry was murdered maintains the original meaning of everyone thinks that. Another example would be, it is thought the treasure is hidden on that island. Question 6. The original sentence is, I visited Paris with the idea of improving my French. The keyword is to. And the second sentence is, I visited Paris blank. The correct answer is, I visited Paris to improve my French. This transformation uses an infinitive of purpose to indicate the reason for visiting. To improve my French keeps the original meaning of the idea of improving my French. Another example would be, she moved to London to find a job. Question 7. The original sentence is, I didn't answer the phone even though I knew it was my husband calling. The keyword is despite. And the second sentence is, I didn't answer the phone blank husband. The correct answer is, I didn't answer the phone despite knowing it was my husband. This transformation uses despite followed by a gerund to indicate a contrasting action. Despite knowing it was my husband keeps the original meaning of even though I knew it was. Another example would be, despite being tired, she continued working. And now the last one, question 8. The original sentence is, the weather was beautiful, but we never went on the picnic. The keyword is of. And the second sentence is, we never went on the picnic blank weather. The correct answer is, we never went on the picnic in spite of the beautiful weather. This transformation uses in spite of to indicate a contrast between the weather and the action. In spite of keeps the original meaning of but. Another example would be, in spite of the rain, they played outside. That's all for today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.